Hi, today I'm running LENOVO TAB P11 PLUS and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here I think this ring icon. Just to turn on silent mode, so we should click here twice to the ring icon, and now we'll switch to the mode, so this means that the silent mode successfully activated. If you wanna just turn off the silent mode, we just should click here once again on the mode icon and switch it to the ring one. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Then you'll see here this bell icon. Click twice on this bell icon. Now it's switched to the cross bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated and our notifications just in media, they just will be muted. Just to turn off the silent mode, you should click here once again on this cross bell, and it's this switch just to the regular, to the normal bell, so this means that the silent mode successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.